Hello everyone, in this video, we're gonna see about the fundamentals of electromagnetic shoot, HFSS, in that, how to subtract the 3D shape. So without wasting time, let's enter into the video. Let's get started. Open HFSS. Create new project. So hit Insert HFSS Design. For zooming, long press on Control key. Then click plus or minus icon. Before starting the design, you have to save the location in main drive. So, go to File. Then hit Save. These are all 3D and 2D shapes. Depends on the shape we creating the different antennas. Click cylinder. Then place it on center of the plane. Follow the steps. While creating the 3D shape, you have to click 3 faces. One from center and radius and extrude it. Shaped created. Rename it, so go to Properties panel. Type Sample Model. Now we want to subtract. So create one more shape inside of that. While drawing the shape, please follow the same procedure. What we done before. Select the inner cylinder. Then rename it. Change the color. This optional to do. And go to panel. Hit rotate. Where inner cylinder is fully cover or not. For your visibility. Now the time to subtract the shapes. Go to panel. Then hit Subtract. While subtract the shape. Check this out. Where the shape are placed correctly, the subtract shape must placed right side. Then the subtract area must place left side. Finally hit OK. Wow! Our shape is subtracted. Nice to see this. Rotate the shape. Then see whether the shape is totally cut or not. So, this is for today. Thank you for watching this video. We will see you next one. Till then, good luck and peace.